we have a home.
Hello and welcome to the ScatterVolt channel, where I, today, Nick Fury, have been granted special permission to show you the 6 declassified Techvengers gaming PC builds and allow you guys to vote on which one is your favorite Avenger themed build. Which of these 6 modded gaming PC builds will triumph in the ever-waging war against Thanos' mad quest to obtain all 6 Infinity fans backed by his army of pre-built Best Buy computers? We'll soon find out. Gonna break character for a second, but I want to give a gigantic thank you to Tech by Matt, Toasty Bros, Zach's Tech Turf, JDTechGear, Nerd on a Budget, and OzTalksHW for letting me host the voting of the Techvengers build competition. With that being said, after watching all these submissions, you can vote on your favorite build using the straw poll link in the description of this video. Anyways, these special Avenger builds will be presented in no particular order for your viewing pleasure to see which Avengers themed build you like the most. The first Avenger build on our list is Thor, the God of Thunder by Zach's Tech Turf. Our first Avengers themed build bases itself around the legendary Mjolnir. The legendary axe can be found on the top of the case as a prop and on the front panel of the case as a painted logo cut from wood. Blue fans and RGB strips create the lightning blue glow of the case, and the red lit up in-wind logo represents the red cape of Thor, finishing off with the bottom feet of the case painted in a stainless steel metallic color. Second on the declassified Avengers list, we have Captain America, the First Avenger by Toasty Bros. This red, white, and blue gaming PC was primarily created with an acrylic light panel and many custom colored PC parts to accompany that red, white, and blue color scheme, ranging from the painted side panels all the way to the white colored motherboard. Capping things off, no pun intended, there is a Captain America shield made from vibranium on the side of the case as a prop. Materials and tools used were stencils, LED fans, spray paint, vinyl tubing, dye, spray, and acrylic paint, and an all-in-one cooler. Thirdly, we have Black Panther, King of Wakanda by JDTechGear. This Avengers themed build centers itself around a black and silver color scheme colored from a matted silver texture spray paint and the black base of the case. The different materials used were 3D cutouts from cork boards that were glued onto the case and poster boards to show off the Wakandan style details of the case. The tools used were an X-Acto knife, a box cutter, both used for tracing stencil cutouts for the Black Panther masks and the tribal inscribing. Other tools used were super glue, sprayed adhesive, and painter's tape. Fourth on the declassified list is the amazing SpiderMan by OzTalksHW. This red and blue gaming PC capitalizes on its color theme with painted VRM heat sinks, RAM slots, PCI lanes, a custom colored all-in-one cooling solution, and complementary LED lights on the fans and lighting strips. It's also got a neon sign dremeled into the front of the case to know when its spider senses are tingling. The modding for this PC was accomplished with the use of vinyl, thermal pads, frog tape, casted acrylic spray paint, and an X-Acto knife. Smashing its way next onto the declassified list is the Incredible Hulk by Nerd on a Budget. Sporting the iconic green and purple color scheme, this green monster was created with a custom paint job on the side panels, green and purple power supply sleeving, green and purple halo rings, and a vinyl Hulk decal on the side and top of the case. Some physical modifications were also made, such as the 2 exposed fans with cutouts from the front panel of the case. Lastly, but certainly not least, because without this Avenger, I would have never been here dressed up as Nick Fury showing you guys the spectacular Avenger themes build in the first place, is the Invincible Iron Man by Tech by Matt. Fueled by a custom-made arc reactor built from an acrylic green drain assembly and copper wire located at the front of the case, this modded red and gold build was achieved through an overall paint job on the side panels of the case, a painting of Iron Man, gold-colored case feet, and an all-black PC part color scheme. And those, ladies and gentlemen, are the 6 modded gaming PC builds for the 2018 Avengers build-off competition. Voting will be held in a straw poll link in the description, so be sure to vote for your favorite modded Avengers themed build. Like I said, thank you to all of the Techvengers for letting me host this Avengers build competition, and always be sure to like, favorite, subscribe, and all that. And this is the ScatterVolt channel, signing out.